So I will show you the farm update today. So let's see what we have actually on the boundary side. So this is the gate that is east facing, and this is the road. So this is the gate here. So basically we use that side west facing gate mostly. So this one is mostly closed actually. Okay, let's start. So this is the boundary, neighborhood boundaries you can say, and other side, that one is kind of neighborhood land. That is pretty much empty plot. So, and this is the mine one. So you can see here we have the boundary. After that 1 feet we have a trench. This is the trench here. Look, this is the trench, and after 1 feet of the trench we have plants actually started, like my orchard 24 by 24 model started. So the first plant you will see here you can see, this is the one. Okay, so the lemon is there actually. The next one you can see at that is at 12 feet, you can see just besides sugar cane. And 24 one is the that one actually, that tuar, not tuar, sorry, tuars. Just before that we have another lemon actually, that is 24. And this next one is a kind of 12 feet actually. So technically I tried to leave jo hai 5 feet, but I think it's not 5 feet because the boundary also comes in that. So overall I think it's just 4 feet gap from the neighborhood land. And then we have started our orchard layout actually, kind of. Okay, so main idea is I want to show it today is the boundary, like what we have in the boundary actually. So boundaries you can see here after my plot. This is boundary is around 4 feet, at least 4 feet it is. So in the center we have some plants, like for example coconut, and then we have pomegranate, we have this karonda, right? Vakaya actually in Telugu here we say. So let's see what we have actually. So in center, if you can see here, right, that is, this is the one, this is the pomegranate, I think is Bhagwa variety only. And then after that 3 feet just we have this karonda, that is a sweet karonda. I bought I think from Amazon or somewhere else, not from local nursery actually, because in local nursery we get regular American वो जो sweet and sour रहता है वो वाला मिलता है. तो this is the one. So basically the main idea I will show you. So see, we have coconut, that is a bigger tree, and after that at least 6 feet we have a kind of some tree that is here in our case karonda. So basically our coconut is planted at a distance 10 to 15 feet, and between that we have tried to plant karonda, and between karonda and coconut, like that is I am assuming 6 feet. So between that I have planted maybe kind of pomegranate or some tree kind of. And I prefer to plant something that is having nails, because this is the boundary, and some kind of external kind of animals, if they are coming, it would be tough for them to get into. So that's the plan actually. So let's see, this is the karonda, and sorry, pomegranate, and after that 3 feet we have karonda, and then after that 6 feet we have coconut, and after that 3 feet, like between karonda and that coconut I don't have anything right now. So side by side, like see, most of the time on our kind of our houses also we have some kind of this kind of plantation area we get, right, like 3 feet 4 feet. So idea would be same. In center we are planting some trees, bigger tree, medium tree, and small tree, and side by side I have tried to plant some flowers. On the front side actually just you can plant something beautiful, that is decorative or kind of that, if it is safe from the animal. But in our case it is not safe, so there is a chance I have planted rose also. So on the side by side, like of course you will get one feet right from the center actually. Then you can plant something, some flower or something. For example, here you can see I have planted marigold, and then marigold, and then marigold. Like in between this 10-15 feet I have 3 marigold, and that is really French marigold, and that is going to be really bushy, bigger in future definitely. And on the kind of boundary side, you can use that to kind of some climber kind of thing, that is go on your fencing. For example, kind of fish guard, bottle guard, pumpkin, etc. you can try, because I have a risk like someone will take it over. So definitely I am trying to put some kind of nails plant kind of. See, you can see there, that is rose, right? So, and yeah, in center in between actually I have planted haldi, like turmeric. So here you can see 3 turmerics I have planted. So actually, although I have planted in center, but I suggest you plant little side, like maybe like 1 foot down. You just plant this haldi just after like 1 or 2 feet. So it would be better right in future, because that center portion is kind of too much busy. So like digging and removing, kind of getting the harvest would be difficult for my case actually. That's what I'm assuming. Okay, so this is the gate again. Now coming to the this part. Okay, so here let's start here. See, the coconut is started from here, just like gate. We have coconut, and that is the another coconut. And now we have the another coconut. In between we will have karonda, that is pretty much very much small. See, this is the karonda, this is the sweet karonda again, but yeah, it's not grown very well. And of course haldi in between I have planted, like there black turmeric actually, and maybe like yellow turmeric also could be there. Whatever, like whatever you like, you just plant some kind of this medicinal. I think cow, at least I believe it's not eating this turmeric actually so far. There is a cow that is disturbing again and again. So okay, so that is the idea. See here coconut, and then center mein we have karonda, and in between karonda and that one I have almost 6 feet, and in between here I don't have anything. But if you see this side, that is karonda, and this after 3 feet we have this pomegranate. This is the pomegranate, this one actually, this one, oh, this one pomegranate. And then we have after 3 feet again we have this coconut. Turmeric I'm assuming, okay, you will assume, I'm just showing the trees mostly. So this is a coconut, and then moving 6 feet we have karonda. This is the khatta one, sour one. So that is American something wo rehta na, red and white. That is the one actually, I guess. So this is the one, and here between 3 feet I don't have anything. In future I will be planting something. So here from this karonda, and we have after 3 feet we have this pomegranate, and then we have coconut. So see, basically pomegranate also have some nails also, right? So and it gives fruit also, so it shoots for my need actually. Okay, so now coming to the next portion, we have coconut, and then another coconut in center. Let's see, this is the karonda. This is just 6 months now, for your information, whatever I'm showing. This coconut is a bit old, like 1 year old. But yeah, these plants, whatever I'm, except coconut, everything is 6 months only. Okay, so the rest of the thing you can see here, like we have here, see, between karonda and coconut we have planted anjeer, and here you can see a lot of other things like going on. For example, here you can see marigold. I have did pruning actually on the top here, because I know like this will flower in month of December, January actually. So by that time I will get 2-3 times I think cutting, and cutting means like of course I will get mulch. See, I cutted it and I have thrown it like this, and it will be nice for our soil also. Here you can see some ginger also is there. So soil is kind of pretty much new, and it's pretty much not agriculture. It was very hard, so definitely it's improving. I'm really surprised ki at least we are getting this turmeric. Otherwise definitely with this soil it's pretty much tough actually. But yeah, that is good. So now this is the karonda, and then that is the coconut, you can see. And here in between I do not have any other plant actually. I will be planting soon. So this is the coconut, and this is my corner, you can see, like this. And here we have, you can see on the corner we have lot of flowers like marigold, of course you can see. And this is something I don't know what is the name, but yeah, it's like, see, it's all only kind of sands, kind of red sand, right? So plant is pretty much kind of lacking the nutrition actually. There is one tuber actually, cow comes always and eats that. That is the bigger problem. And this is the, you can see, I think this is turmeric, no sorry, ginger, and that is also ginger, looks like. So, and that is kind of rose. See, rose is flowering also. So I have some flowers, something here. Here some, you can see another flower here, this one. Okay. And some tulsi plants. Here this is some kind of what's that plant? I don't remember. Thoda decorative plant. I do not have much idea about that. But fruiting plant I understand pretty well. This is something decorative plant only, and this flower is big much actually. I got from nursery. And see, this is the ginger again, you can see. And this is turmeric. Turmeric's actually, that's what I was saying, right? Because soil is not pretty much good, and with this soil it's coming up, it's really kind of good thing actually. We have poured lot of Jivamrita, Gokapamritam, everything in this one. For every kind of week, you can say, I come and give it to something, give something. Maybe like not every week I am giving, but yeah, I'm doing something and I'm giving Jivamrita or something, or like I'm preparing, 1 week preparing, next week I'm giving some spray, I'm doing right. So okay, now so that is the corner, and now from there it's I think almost 20 feet here. We have this coconut as well, almost dying. This one was almost dying. Now it's pretty much green here, you can see. I'm not able to identify which one was dying actually. It was really dying actually. It was almost died. But yeah, now it's revived thankfully, and it's looking very beautiful now. So because and this is the rainy season also, so I think the effect is kind of pretty much good now. Jivamrit along with the other thing that I have poured. And now here you can see lot of other things. So that is a coconut, and that is another coconut. That is almost 15 feet at least. In center I should have some okay, ye baapre, ye dekho, this is the one. See, this is the, I think it's hiding, actually it's not developed pretty much, but yeah, we have the karonda in center, and in center of these two, unfortunately I do not have anything, but we'll be planting soon. And between that karonda and that one coconut, I have, you can see here, this is the pomegranate. It's pretty much doing good. Now let's coming to the next part, that coconut, and that is the coconut. In between that I should have karonda. Karonda is pretty much doing good here, and this, see, just next to karonda only, like 1-2 feet only, I have this pomegranate, because it was pretty much big, so I just planted here like near to Karonda. Almost the idea is to kind of keep the things dense, and from here this is Karonda, and that coconut I have this another plant that is I think Kaner हमारे यहाँ बोलते हैं Kaner, I don't know what is the English name. So but yeah, Kaner ka that is a pink variety something, it is there. I got it from the nursery only. Today I have planted a lot of Kaner plants from the kind of roadside. I got some sticks and I have just put it inside here. I will show you in between. But yeah, so let's see if that grows or not, that is stick. So this is you can see pretty much beautiful rose that I bought. You can see paneer rose. I bought it from Terra Organic Nursery. Paneer rose. I think I might have already this variety, but yeah, let's see, because just to have different varieties I'm getting wherever I'm going kind of. So see here, now this is the coconut and that is another coconut. In center I have this. This is really beautiful. See, it's grown pretty well, and I don't know what is it. I'm removing it. This one I don't know what is it. Removing it. And this is, see, ginger is also coming up. In between I have this black turmeric. Black turmeric is pretty much good. And this is, see, my beautiful flower, rose flower, and this is desi flower. Wow, very beautiful. So desi flower advantages is pretty much, it smells very good. And but yeah, the drawback is it will drop if you not plucking it for leaving it for 1-2 days. Few will stay for few longer time, but few, like I have at home one variety that is a pink one. I don't know which variety I should say that one, but yeah, that will drop immediately just next day. But yeah, smell is pretty much decent. That is worth. So this is the coconut. In center we have Karonda, and that is the another coconut. In center you can see here we have lot of things. See, this is the flower plant. I have what is this flower plant? Let's see. Radha Mandhai. Some flower, I don't know what is, but I have seen in nursery it was pretty much beautiful and smelling. So mostly I get smelling plant, the plant that smells good actually. So, and yeah, boundary side you can see I have these French marigolds, right? And then here we have rose, here we have French marigold, that is turmeric again, and there is beautiful, wow, this is, I have planted anjeer, but yeah, it's died. Okay, and that is rose. See here, beautiful ginger is coming up. Here we have lot of, yeah, I tried this, look, in bad situation. This is okay, now let's come to the next part. Coconut, and that another coconut. In center I should have, oh, really beautiful. You can see this grown really well here. So it's all depends on like which one is getting better environment, right? Everything I'm managing somewhere, like we get kind of able to provide less water, somewhere we put like water regularly. So a lot of factors depend like how the plants are growing, right? And see here, and that one is Karonda, and in between this Karonda and coconut I have this Elaichi. You can see beautiful Elaichi leaves coming up, and they see a lot of flowers. So I think this is some kind of what is this here? Scarf flower. jasmine, all time jasmine. This is jasmine. और वो ये देखो बड़ा वाला plant, I don't know what is it. Okay, now let's move on. So that is the one. This is the karonda, and then coconut. In between I have lot of other flower and decorative plant etc. And this is the coconut now, again this one. And then we have another coconut that is the pretty much new. This is the one that is just 5-6 month old only. 5 month, you can say 5 month at least old. 5 month old only, because I have planted little later actually when I planted other plants. In center of this, of course, I have karonda. In center of karonda and coconut we have see here, this is the flower plant, some other flower plant. Here we have ginger also, turmeric here, this is the yellow turmeric, and then we have another this coconut and some lily plant. I think this is the lily, and that one I don't know, but yeah, some flower plant that I got from my gardener mate actually. So this is yellow turmeric again, and then we have lemongrass, and then we have karonda, coconut, and this is the karonda. This is the one. See, and then here we have another coconut. In coconut and this karonda we have. This is the one that is custard apple. Which variety I don't know, but that is custard apple. So now coming next here, this is the coconut, and in center we have beautiful karonda plant, bigger one, very much shining, because that is my vegetable part, that side you can see. And here usually this get kind of moisture pretty much all the time, most of the time I believe. So there is one lemongrass. I think lemongrass is kind of snake repellent I believe. So maybe that's the reason I planted here, because this is something our go-to area, right? Like I used to come here, this is my vegetable garden, so that's the reason I planted here. See, there is also, and there is one other side also I have planted, so I have seen that somewhere. Okay, so now let's come to this patch, this part I believe. So this is the coconut, another coconut, and in center here you can see very beautiful karonda, and in center of these there is no plant. Oh, see, just now today only I planted papaya, and in between these two I have this plant, something looks like jamun plant. I don't know, this is flower plant or jamun plant. Seriously, it's very much confusing. Yeah, so black turmeric is here everywhere actually. We have tulsi, and then we have this bigger coconut, and then here you can see some black turmeric, and then that side again we have some black turmeric leaf there, वहाँ पे है. और in between यहाँ पे कुछ ट्री नहीं है एक्चुअली, इवन करौंदा भी नहीं है. I will plant something because यहाँ पे थोड़ा is down, little bit down actually. So I will plant something that kind of that the plant that should be comfortable with kind of lot of good moisture, or like it can absorb most of the water. Okay, so this is the corner one. Okay, this is the corner, and we have coconut, and that's another coconut. I think this is pretty much close by, so even 6-7 feet max. And in between I have tried to plant one sweet, ये वाला sweet lemon, right? और यहाँ पे कुछ तो है, डेकोरेटिव प्लांट ही है, फ्लावर वगैरह का. वहाँ पे देखो ब्लैक टर्मरिक भी है, इधर भी ब्लैक टर्मरिक है, राइट. बाकी हमारे पास ये पूरा गजा हुआ है जो है फ्रेंच मैरीगोल्ड, तो भरा हुआ है. और ये कोकोनट हो गया. अभी इस वाले कोकोनट के और वो वाला कोकोनट के बीच में आई हैव ये वाला, देखो, दैट इज़ अगेन दिस इज़ द करौंदा, सॉरी इन दोनों के बीच में तो हमारे पास ये है, यहाँ पे एप्पल बेर है। एप्पल बेर ये कौन सा है? ये देसी लग रहा है मुझे, हमें लग रहा है उसका ग्राफ्ट पोर्शन, क्योंकि ये डेड हो गया था और फिर से निकला है, तो आई थिंक नीचे से निकल आया, मुझे डाउट है। अब इन दोनों के बीच में ये तुम्हारा बेर है और उसके बाल सुंदरी एप्पल बेर हमने यहाँ पे लगाने की कोशिश करा था, बट मुझे डाउट है वो। और इन दोनों के बीच में देखो एक वहाँ पे तेज पत्ता का प्लांट है, सो दैट इज़ द वन काइंड ऑफ कोकोनट। और नाउ वी हैव ब्लैक टर्मरिक इन बिटवीन, इधर वी हैव in between karonda plant and then coconut. Now move to the next part. So this is the bigger coconut and that is the bigger coconut, and now see in center we have pretty much visible this is the apple bear again. This is the green variety, green apple bear. So and in center of these two I don't know what, if I have something, यहाँ पे तुअर था actually, so but cow always eat that. और इन सेंटर ऑफ दैट यू कैन सी हियर ताइवान पिंक, एंड बाउंड्री पे वहाँ पे देखो दिस इज़ द प्रीटी मच हमारा रोज़ प्लांट है। तो प्लांट रोज़ हमने बाउंड्री पे लगाने की कोशिश करी है पूरा इधर से उधर, जिससे हमारा बाहर से पूरा एकदम ये फुल नेल से टाइट हो जाए, वो भी देसी प्लांट हमने लगाने की कोशिश करी है। नाउ कमिंग टू दिस कोकोनट एंड दैट कोकोनट गेट के पास इन सेंटर आई शुड हैव समथिंग नेल्स वाला बिगर, दैट इज़ लेमन। बहुत सारे नेल्स हैं इसमें, ज़बरदस्त नेल्स हैं। और इन सेंटर ऑफ दिस टू आई हैव हियर वन इज़ बासमती राइस, दिस इज़ बासमती राइस प्लांट एक्चुअली। और इन सेंटर ऑफ दिस हियर एंड हियर दिस कोकोनट आई हैव दिस पोमोग्रेनेट, ये जस्ट 3 फीट पे ही है फ्रॉम दिस लेमन। दिस वी हैव पोमोग्रेनेट and then we have this coconut, and that is the boundary of, sorry, on kind of edge of my gate actually. So this is my gate that I used to enter always, and this would be the destination for our natural farm in future. I am just trying to adjust Google map. I will try to set the route today again. Actually I'm just keeping step by step here to this place. We have pretty much good road, that is fine. So यहाँ पे this is the our kind of entry point you can say. And now here after that we have again coconut, and then coconut के बाद here we have 6 feet पे we have mulberry सहतूत का प्लांट, एंड देन यहाँ पे स्नैक प्लांट है। बाकी यहाँ पे साइड में पूरा फुल हाफ मैरीगोल्ड्स है। उधर हमारे पास ये है फालसा, नहीं है ये, क्या फालसा तो वो वाला है, उधर है एक, वहाँ पे है फालसा उधर है। और ये इसको पैशन फ्रूट, ये वाला पैशन फ्रूट है आई बिलीव, ये बेल टाइप का होता है। सो एंड दैट इज़ द एंड ऑफ द पिलर, इज़ द एंड। सो दिस इज़ द neighborhood boundary here this side, and this is our kind of farm area. So I explained pretty well the boundary part, and this is our inside, and here I used to prepare kind of Gokurpamatam or something, because last time it was I have kind of used it, so this time I prepared again. This is my Gokurpamatam, and this is Jivamrit. Jivamrit means not proper Jivamrit I can say, because Jivamrit should have Gomutra also, right? But in our case we have just Gobar, Jaggery, and that's all. Like I used यहाँ पे एक सचान जी का जीवामृत है, अरे बाप रे, वो वाला है इसके अंदर। थोड़ा सा भी आज ही तो बनाया हूँ इसको, इसके पहले हमने ख़त्म कर दिया था, तो वो थोड़ा हमें लग रहा है कल्चर ही गायब हो गया, उसको फिर से लगाना है। तो उसमें नीम उम डाल के रखा हूँ, एक वाटर का ही है, इसमें 3 2 5 है, इतने में पूरा 5 ड्रम्स हैं हमारे पास। तो अभी ये हमारा देखो इंटरनल, ये यहाँ से देखो, ये है हमारा लेमन का प्लांट वहाँ पे है। अभी मैं अंदर नहीं जाऊँगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे पूरा ग्रास वगैरह हो गया है। यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ, ये देखिए वो है लेमन, दैट इज़ 24x24 का मॉडल शुरू हो रहा है यहाँ से भी, समझो ये लास्ट रो है। और उसके बाद 6 फीट पे आपको उस यहाँ पे 6 नहीं 4 फीट होगा लगभग। तो यहाँ पे कुछ बड़ा हम लगा नहीं सकते क्योंकि गेट है ना, इन फ्यूचर में कुछ तोड़ना फोड़ना पड़े फालतू में तो दर्द होगा, इसलिए हमारे पास यहाँ पे शुगर केन है और मस्त निकल रहा है अभी। तो ये 3 ब्रांचेस भी आ गया, आई थिंक ब्लैक शुगर केन होगा, इसमें भी देखो बहुत सारी ब्रांचेस आ रही हैं। और उसके बाद हमारा रो कंटिन्यू। एंड तुअर देखो पूरा ये कम से कम 10 फीट का हो गया है अभी, ज़बरदस्त पूरा। और ये है थोड़ा अंदर, इधर हमारा पास वेजिटेबल सेक्शन है, इसमें बस खाली टेम्प्रोरी काइंड ऑफ प्लांट्स हैं, लाइक बनाना हो गया या पपाया हो गया। तो यहाँ पे ये 30 फीट जो है, 32 फीट एक्चुअली, इस अगर प्लांट से बात करूँ मैं, क्योंकि वो जो परमानेंट प्लांट है राइट लेमन, तो यहाँ से 32 फीट के बाद ही हमारा नेक्स्ट ये वाला एक्चुअली 32 फीट पे है। ये वाली जो लाइन दिख रही है आपको, ये पूरा तुअर ही तुअर दिख रहा होगा फिलहाल। यहाँ पे ये जो मैंगो है ये लाइन में है समझो, ये हमारा ट्रेंच है ऐसा, ये ट्रेंच गया नहीं, ये ट्रेंच है, ये पूरा ऐसा ट्रेंच गया है, ठीक है। तो ये वाला हमारा 32 फीट पे है। और प्लांट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्दी नहीं है इसमें अभी। यहाँ पे मैं दिखाऊंगा तो ये पूरा ढका हुआ, ये देखिए ये लेमन है, ये लेमन है एकदम कवर है। तो कुल मिला के हमेशा इसको क्या है कि हमने यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन के लिए इसमें लोबिया लगा रखा है, और तुअर भी नाइट्रोजन के लिए काम करता है। काम तो देखो बहुत ज़बरदस्त कर रहे हैं ये लोग, जहाँ पे भी ये लोबिया तुअर उअर है यहाँ पे प्लांट्स की का टेक्सचर ही अलग है, जहाँ पे नहीं है वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है। पूरा ये है देखो तुअर एकदम ज़बरदस्त, अभी इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं दिख रहा मुझे। हमारा ये सहतूत है तो इसका मैं बाद में बनाऊंगा, बट कुल मिला के दैट वाज द प्लान टू शो मेनली द बाउंड्री पार्ट। सो एंड दिस इज़ माय वेजिटेबल गार्डन जस्ट फॉर द अपडेट हियर। यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा गेट टाइप का बन गया है यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे हमारा ब्लैक टर्मरिक्स भी है। ये है, सॉरी ब्लैक टर्मरिक नहीं, ये ब्लैक जिंजर है, ये ब्लैक जिंजर है। ये थोड़ा सरप्राइजिंग होगा अगर आपने नहीं देखा होगा, ब्लैक टर्मरिक सुना होगा, ब्लैक जिंजर नहीं सुना होगा। तो ये है देखो, ये इधर तो ये है ब्लैक टर्मरिक, ब्लैक है नहीं, वो जिंजर था वो। तो या दैट्स ऑल। सो लेट मी शो यू क्विकली कि यहाँ पे अभी क्या स्टेटस है। काफ़ी बड़ा बड़ा है यहाँ पे, ये देखो पूरा हमारा सेट यहाँ पे था एक्चुअली, और काफ़ी टूट चुका हुआ है। और हमारा ये बाउंड्री के अंदर ये कुछ अभी देखो यहाँ पे पूरा तुअर ही दिखेगा एक्चुअली। बाकी ये जो है हमारा स्टार्ट हो गया है लगभग, टर्मरिक्स जो है धीरे धीरे आना, मुझे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था कि आ जाएगा, लेकिन थोड़ा थोड़ा आना शुरू हो गया है। तो ये है देखो तुअर काफ़ी अच्छा ग्रो कर रहा है। गन्ना भी अभी पकड़ रहा है क्योंकि मिट्टी इतना अच्छी नहीं थी, अभी मिट्टी सेट हुई है, गन्ना वगैरह अभी सेट हो रहा है। हमें लग रहा है ये शुरू में प्लांट्स जो है ना स्लो ही चलते हैं, आदमी फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाता है क्योंकि हम तो नए नए किसान हैं, और इसमें जो है हमको पता नहीं लगता कि कौन सा कितनी स्पीड में ग्रो करेगा। तो फ़िलहाल अभी जो है ये सारे सेट दिख रहे हैं मुझे, बारिश भी हो रही है, मौसम सेट है, मिट्टी भी अभी थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट हो गई है, गोकरपामृतम वगैरह भी, जीवामृत वगैरह भी हमने डाल दिया है। आई थिंक अर्थवर्म्स का एक्टिविटी भी शुरू ही हो गया होगा। तो देखते हैं, अभी हमारे पास यहाँ पे काम टाइप का काम अभी नहीं है, अभी हम बस खाली आके टाइम पास करके इधर उधर कहीं पे ग्रास कट कर दिए, कहीं पे कुछ कर दिए, कहीं पे जीवामृत बना दिए। तो ऐसा काम ही है। अभी प्लांटिंग वाला काम मोस्टली हो गया है, जो भी प्लांट्स थे हमारे हमने लगा दिए हैं, वो अपना ग्रो कर रहे हैं, धीरे धीरे सेट हो रहे हैं, ग्रो कर रहे हैं। तो अभी यही स्टेटस है, दैट्स ऑल।